This is Vinnic Power Station, the most portable battery station in your life. All of your camping appliances and movie systems can be powered for hours. Vinnic is the most powerful power station for emergency outages, incredibly compact and capable of running almost any household device. Need a mobile woodshop? No problem. With Vinnic PS2000W, it can power all your heavy-duty gadgets wherever you want. There's no need for a noisy, heavy gas-powered generator. Want to go off the grid? Plug the Vinnic PS2000W into solar panels to recharge wherever you want. The multiple outlets will allow you to use all of your appliances for your RV. You can even power your AC, fridge, and microwave while off the grid. Oops, low battery and on the road? The Vinnic Power Station works as an emergency backup for electric vehicles. It can deliver up to 11 extra miles on a single charge. The Vinnic Power System utilizes an advanced battery management system to prevent overcharging, overcurrent, short-circuiting, and overheating. It uses a patented battery technology to increase the battery life by 30%. They also come standard with aluminum cases to ensure durability and weight reduction. Prepare yourself for unexpected emergencies and stay safe during unforeseen circumstances. It's not just a battery, it's a road to a new world.